Dribblie introduces the first deflationary football NFT game. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Dribblie is a community-driven, blockchain-based play-to-earn game where players get to own and manage a virtual football team, compete with other participants from around the world, and earn while doing all this. It is a football manager simulator that allows players to build a strong squad and strengthen their skills by playing division or cup matches. The game is designed by a team of business developers, game developers, blockchain experts, and football lovers with more than 10 years of experience in their various industries. The game is set on a virtual planet called Dribblie, which has an abundance of quasar crystal, a core resource that provides unlimited power. Warriors from 4 different species, titans, aliens, robots, and humanoids, fought ruthlessly to gain control over the crystals. They decided to play football and reward winners with quasar. This decision brought peace as the species started collaborating to gather crystals and leverage their skills, intelligence, and aggression into the game. Every character and resource on the Dribblie planet is minted as NFTs to encourage a democratic and transparent ecosystem. There will only be 10,000 Dribblie's NFTs in the ecosystem, with 9,800 minted and the remaining 200 used for giveaways. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Blockchain technology is poised to disrupt multiple industries, and in more recent times, it is revolutionizing the gaming market. Blockchain gaming is fast becoming the norm as developers continue to create new games with the best graphics, captivating storylines, and immersive gameplay. Dribblie features a functioning economy that uses a variety of strategies to help players earn during gameplay. Gamers can win prizes by winning or drawing matches and quests every day, winning trophies and league cups to earn cash prizes and new digital assets. Gamers can also buy NFTs, stadiums, and other in-game assets in the marketplace. Players can stake managers into the game's youth academy to generate new, young, and skilled players. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.